So guys, let's solve this problem. So we will read number n from the keyboard. For example, 3. You must find the smallest number with n digits. So in our case it's 3 with 3 digits, and that is divisible by n, which is divisible by 3. So the smallest number with 3 digits, which is divisible by 3, is 102. So if I ask you what is the smallest number which is divisible by 3, it will be 100, but 100 is not divisible by 3. So if n is 2, so the smallest 2-digit number is actually 10 with the power of n minus 1, which will be 10 itself. And if the n is 3, then the smallest 3-digit number will be 100, which is 10 with the power of n minus 1, which will be 10 raised with the power of 2, and which is 100. So the smallest n-digit number is actually 10 raised to the power of n minus 1. And how to find it in C++? In C++, we have the pow function, which is included in CMath library. First, you give the base, then you give the power, and this function will return you this value. So let's solve it. First of all, I will include iostream. Then I'll type using namespace std. Then I'll write in. So to read this number n from the keyboard, first I have to declare variable n, and then I'll read my variable n from the keyboard, and of course I don't forget to return 0. So first I want to find the smallest n-digit number as shown here. So let's say that I have variable k, which will be the smallest n-digit number, and k will be equal to the power of n minus 1. You see that I can't use this function because I didn't include CMath, so let's include CMath to use that function. So the smallest n-digit number is number with a base of 10 raised to the power of n minus 1. And I'll create a loop, and inside the loop I will make sure that this number is divisible by n. But while while k modulus n is not 0, which means if my number divided by n does not give me the remainder of 0, which means if this number is not divisible by this number, then it will enter the loop. So at the beginning, if n is 3, the smallest 3-digit number will be 100, and since 100 modulus 3 is not 0, it will enter the loop, and I will increase the value of my number by 1. The next time it will be 101, and 101 modulus 3 is not 0, it will again enter the loop, then the k will be 102, then 102 modulus 3 is actually 0, that's why it will not enter the loop, and k will remain 102, and when I exit the loop, I'll just print the value of my variable k. Let's try. So if it is 3, the smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 3 is 102, and if it's 7, the smallest 7-digit number which is divisible by 7 is 1,000,006. That's all.